Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about sections for consent. 87 IPC. A person more than 18 years can give consent to suffer any harm on his own body which is not intended to cause death or grievous injury. So, in 87 IPC, a person more than 18 years can give consent to any procedures. 88 IPC. In 88 IPC, nothing is an offense which is done in good faith or for the benefit of the person with consent from the person which may or likely to cause harm or injury. So, according to 88 IPC, if something is done in good faith, then it is not an offense. And for doing in good faith, there is no need of consent. Sorry, with consent. See, in 88 IPC, if something is done in good faith for the benefit of the person along with the consent, then it is not an offense. For example, according to 88 IPC, a surgeon has done surgery on a person. So the surgeon has explained the patient about the harms of the surgery, about the side effects of the surgery and the benefit of the surgery. Here the surgeon is doing the surgery in good faith and for the benefit of the person. But due to some therapeutic misadventure, the patient died. So here this is not an offense because for this surgery the patient has given a consent and this surgery is done under good faith.
Thank you and thank you for watching.